Hello my friends, welcome back to TipsoTech channel. You know, smart glasses usually sound way cooler than they actually are. But Meta's new Aria Gen 2, they're in a league of their own. Let's dive into what Mark Zuckerberg and the brilliant team at Meta have built, and why these glasses feel like a true leap forward. So, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Let's go. These aren't just glasses you strap to your face. Aria Gen 2 is packed with advanced sensors that track your eyes, hands, and even your heartbeat. The tech behind them is next level, but what's really exciting is how they're shaping the future of AI and robotics. Wearing these feels like jumping 5 years into the future, and here's the twist. They're not your typical AI assistant like ChatGPT or Siri. Instead, they gather rich, real-time data from your perspective, powered by on-device AI that processes everything on the fly. That means they can understand what you're seeing, hearing, and how you're moving, all without needing an internet connection. With tech like SLAM, Simultaneous Localization and Mapping, eye tracking, and voice recognition, these glasses operate independently. Researchers are using this stream of data to build smarter AI systems and even teach robots to interact more naturally with the world. It's like carrying around a portable AI lab, giving developers the tools to prototype, experiment, and innovate right from your field of view. Project Aria was born from the idea of building a device that sees and senses the world like you do, and with Gen 2, Meta has doubled down, creating a new class of wearable tech that truly understands context, environment, and the human experience. The sensor suite in Gen 2 has been upgraded across the board. There's a new computer vision camera for improved body tracking and indoor-outdoor location, a 40% bigger battery, and somehow no added weight. That's smart design. They've added a contact mic and spatial microphones that can tell your voice apart from others nearby. With real-time gaze and hand tracking, the glasses know exactly what you're looking at or interacting with, and even monitor your heart rate for full situational awareness. All of this processing happens on the glasses themselves, meaning you're not just collecting data for later. You're interacting in real time. It's not about wondering what's possible anymore. It's about experiencing it firsthand. Say, "Help me pick up some red onions," and the glasses will guide you to them in the store. This isn't science fiction. It's working now, and it's one of the best real-world examples of how AI is becoming useful in our everyday lives. A huge part of Aria's success comes from collaboration. Meta's been working closely with researchers, companies, and labs to push innovation forward while keeping user privacy and ethical development front and center. But maybe what's most powerful is how these glasses are being adapted to help people with disabilities. The company Envision is customizing Aria Gen 2 for people who are blind or have low vision, and the results are truly inspiring. We've seen promising steps in this direction with apps like Be My Eyes, but this is a whole new level. One user was able to walk through a store, independently navigating and understanding her surroundings through AI and spatial cues. Other companies like Lumen have attempted similar solutions, but Meta's implementation shows the massive potential AI has to empower everyday people, not just impress with tech demos. For someone who lost their vision at 31, the challenge isn't just navigating space, it's losing independence. Aria offers that independence back, blending artificial intelligence with spatial audio to make the visual world accessible again. What's even better is that Meta incorporated direct feedback from users like Sharon, who helped test early versions. This wasn't just about building for the community, it was about building with them. One key insight Sharon shared: GPS doesn't work indoors. So Meta created an entirely new kind of indoor mapping. That kind of innovation only comes when you listen to the people who truly need the tech. Spatial audio plays a huge role here. Unlike traditional headphones, it places sound in your real-world space. Looking for apples? Just follow the beacon sound coming from their actual location in the store. You can even label store sections in real time. Apples are here. Ask what kind. Granny Smith, Cosmic Crisp, Honey Crisp. Need red onions? Red onions are here. Unsure what you're holding? Yes, that's a red onion. It's intuitive and empowering. At the end, you can simply say, "Take me to the checkout counter," and you're guided right there. Watching Sharon use this to shop on her own was genuinely moving. This is what meaningful AI looks like in the real world. And if you're already a fan of Meta's smart glasses, you'll want to check out the updated Ray-Ban Meta ones. I've got a pair myself, and trust me, they're surprisingly helpful and actually available to buy right now. You can tell them to play music, take a photo, translate text, or send a WhatsApp voice message. It's all done hands-free. Just say, "Hey Meta." The AI is seamlessly built in and useful in those everyday moments. Whether it's asking how many tablespoons are in a cup or identifying a butterfly on a walk, it's these small but meaningful interactions that make the experience feel natural and fun. Now there's also the Meta Orion glasses, which are a whole other beast. These are true AR glasses announced at Meta Connect 2024. They're a different platform from Aria and are expected to hit the market around 2027. Zuckerberg started this project years ago with one clear goal: make glasses that are light, stylish, and incredibly powerful. No wires, less than 100 grams, sharp holographic displays, and a wide field of view that actually works anywhere, from cafes to airplanes. These glasses aren't showing you a phone screen. They're showing holograms overlaid on the real world. You can message, play games, even see someone appear in your living room as a hologram. It's the next evolution of presence and interaction. Fast forward to 2030, and Google's Gemini co-lead Norm Shea believes AI assistants will be baked into glasses by default. They'll advise you, solve problems, and see the world with you, basically becoming your second brain. Phones, too slow. Glasses, always on, always with you. Imagine an AI assistant that sees what you see, hears what you hear, and understands your world and gets smarter the more you use it. Would you pay $10 a day for an assistant that makes your life? What about $20 for one that makes you 10x more productive? It's not just convenience, it's about turning you into a supercharged version of yourself. This is the future where AI isn't just a tool, but a partner. One that helps you live better, think faster, and experience more. And honestly, we're already closer to that future than most people think. So what do you think? Is AI in your glasses the future you're ready for? Let me know, and I'll catch you in the next one.